Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Aw, thanks, guys. Wow, guys, I don't even know what to say about this. Look at this beautiful Play-Doh cake that Seth and Brandon made me for my birthday. I bet there's lots of surprises hidden inside. I'm just gonna keep pulling off the Play-Doh. Okay, let's see. There's gotta be something underneath this. Oh, there is. Look at that. Looks like we have some squishy pops and Shopkins. Some of my very favorite things. Okay, let's get this open and see what we have. It feels like it might be one of the ponies, which would be awesome. Oh, it is! Look how cute! Do you guys know what pony this is? It's Scootaloo. I don't know if you guys noticed how well Scootaloo matched my cake. She's perfect. She's orange and hot pink, so I put her right here. Now let's open another squishy ball. We'll see what's in this squishy pop. Wow, this feels like a pony too. Is this another Scootaloo? It is. Aww. 2 Scootaloos. Now, I don't know if you've seen the bracelets that these fit on, but I'll get mine out and show you in just a second. This is why they call them squishy pops. They're squishy, and then listen. Pop, 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 pop. I have one more squishy pop back there, but I think I'm gonna take a break and open up the Shopkins surprises and see who we get. Oh, I don't know who he is, but he's so cute. Did you guys see his little mustache? We'll have to look him up. Oh, wow, that's cool. Okay, I need to get my little list and see who we got. Okay, so this is Colonel Mustard. Can you guys see his little eyepiece that he's wearing? His little mustache? Okay, so he is a pantry item and he is common. And this is Saucy Pan. Saucy Pan is rare. See, that's cute with the little handle, isn't it? Saucy Pan is messy. And now I will open our last squishy pop. Be super cool if we got another pony. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Well, that went flying. Okay, let's see what we got in here. It feels like another pony, guys. And it is another pony. Wow. Look how cute Sweetie Belle is. I wonder if these are the newer version of the Squishy Pops, because I wasn't expecting to get these kind of ponies in them. Here's what I have so far. Now let's open the bottom and look for more surprises. Oh, I hate to ruin this. Let's see, we'll pull off the Play-Doh. Oh, I see lots of good stuff. Oh my goodness. So many fun things to open, but I'm gonna start right here with this My Little Pony blind bag. Oh, cute! Oh my gosh, it's Pinkie Pie, my favorite! I don't have a sparkly Pinkie Pie like this. Oh my goodness, how am I getting so lucky and getting all these awesome surprises today? Here's a closer look at my favorite pony. That's really fun that we got Pinkie Pie. Whoa! Because she is the party girl. And this is like my little birthday party. Oh my goodness. Sorry, Pinkie Pie. Keep knocking you over, girl. Let's open another Shopkins. Shopkins are so hard to find, but one of our local viewers messaged me and told me where I could find some. So thanks for that tip, Kelly. We went and stocked up. Look! Oh, I can't remember her name. I think I've opened her before, but I think she's really cool. Oh, and this one I definitely know. What is her name? What is her name? It's like, maybe I'm gonna guess Choco Lava, but I can't recall. And then this is an iron, so like this is what you would use to iron your clothing. Okay, let's look them up. Okay, we got lucky. We got 2 rares. This is Sizzles, because she gets so hot. And this is Choco Lava. I remembered correctly. Let's open another Shopkins. Whoa, grab those both at the same time. I thought that I only had one bag. Okay, let's see who we get, guys. Oh, this is the pasta one. Pasta or pasta? I'll have to look it up in just a second and see. Oh, come on. Oh, this looks cute. Oh, that is, it's carrot cake, right? Oh, what is her name? Okay, I was right. This is Pasta. And this is Carrot Cake. So, Carrot Cake is rare and Pasta is common. Both are adorable. Let's switch things up a little bit and open this frozen blind bag. See who we get. Oh, it looks like the Queen. And it is Queen Elsa, coming to wish me a happy birthday. Whoa, stand up, Elsa. Here she is, ladies and gentlemen. She is wearing a long, beautiful cape, and I believe this is her coronation gown, or at least a variation of it. The coronation gowns in the movie were very, very beautiful. This is only slightly beautiful. There's not a lot of detail, and the coloring up here is a little strange, but a decent blind bag toy. Let's go for another squishy pop. And this time I'm gonna get my bracelet out and show you how these work. This would be awesome if we got another pony. I was just gonna say this would be awesome if we get another pony. And we did. I wonder who that is. Oh, I see a little bit of pink hair. It is another Sweetie Belle. This is crazy. This is really strange that we're getting the duplicates like this. Usually you get a lot of charms. Let me show you. I'll show you. I'll get my bracelet right now. Okay, so as you can see, I have opened quite a few of these. And what I normally get are these little charms or maybe the cutie marks. But very rarely do I get the ponies. And in this video, I've opened, let's see, 1, 2, 3, this is my 4th one, and I've gotten a pony in every one. So that is pretty amazing. Isn't that cute? Really cute little bracelet. Let's open another one just to see if we can keep the streak alive. Okay, here we go. I really think this is another pony. This is amazing. Oh, they're all duplicates, but at least we're getting ponies. Okay, so who is your favorite out of these two? You'll have to leave me a comment and let me know. I like that pop. I like that popping sound. Okay, let's go back to Shopkins. We'll see who we get. Oh, wow, yummy. That looks delicious, doesn't it? I don't think I've ever opened this one before. Or wait a minute. This is just the variation of Choco Lava. It's like vanilla instead of chocolate. Vanilla lava. Okay, who else? Who else is in here? We got a fancy one. This is Olivia Oil. Olivia is a crystal glitz finish, and she is ultra rare. Check that out. See all her little sparkles? Back to Frozen. Now, if you guys watch my other video when I open these, you will know that they are very difficult to open, at least for this girl. I have trouble with blind bags, I admit it, but these are like extra hard. Ugh. I don't know, I'm just gonna try to pop the bottom off. Just like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got Olaf. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, he's so sweet. All right, so part of the reason that I'm so excited about this is because he's adorable and I love Olaf. But it's also because I've opened several of these and I haven't gotten any duplicates yet. Not in this video, of course. This is the only one I have in this video, but I opened some of these the other day and I got a different character every single time. Every single time. Oh, he's a cutie. Is it just me, or am I getting like the best surprises ever? I feel really lucky. I don't know how Seth and Brandon did this. Oh, I might have to cut this one. Oh no, there's the little tear strip. Okay, so this is Tokidoki, and these are little like cell phone charms, or oh wow, that's cool. See, they're like little unicorns, and you can either put this part in your mobile phone or your little, I guess like if you have an iPad or a tablet, or you can hook it. You can use this to hook it on like a backpack or a bag. This one's super cool. Here's a closer look at our little unicorn frenzy. And I opened a whole case of Hello Kitty frenzies. I don't know if you saw that video. If you haven't and you're interested, you should go check it out because I opened a ton of them and they were all super cool. This little dude's pretty cool too. Kind of reminds me of Rainbow Dash a little bit with his colorful mane and tail. It's a little top heavy. Woo! Next up, a Zelf surprise egg. Lots of my favorite things in this video. Whoa, 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 whoa. She just came flying out. Oh, she's cute. I've never opened her before. She looks like a little angel with those wings, doesn't she? Okay, so she has the purple pearl finish. That's really hard to say. Say that 3 times. Purple pearl. Purple pearl finish. And let's figure out who she is. Here she is. It's Owlmanda. So she's like an owl. I wouldn't have guessed that. Well, maybe. I guess if you look closely at the top of her head, like right here, she kind of looks a little bit like sort of has those features. Aw, she's cute, isn't she? I love her little pink wings. Whoa. Here's a closer look. If you watch our channel, then you probably know that I love Hello Kitty. So I'm very excited to see this in my surprise birthday cake. Oh goodness, this is a weird way to open this. All right, let's try this. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh, cool. Look at our little Hello Kitty. Now I've opened a pink one and a clear one and a blue one, but I have never opened a gray one. So this is kind of like a silvery gray and it's a little bit sparkly. And that's cute. And then let's see what we got. Get some little cards. Hello Kitty from the 70s. 40th anniversary Hello Kitty. Oh, that one's cute, isn't it? Oh wow, look at this fancy one. That's the part of the puzzle. Look, we have some Hello Kitty trivia. It has the answers down here, the questions up here. We've got our little checklist and some stickers. Very nice. I was gonna save this for last, but now that I have Hello Kitty on the mind, I can't wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So I've opened quite a few of these and I actually have almost all of them. I'm trying to remember who I don't have. I think I don't have this one. And I think I don't have this one. So I don't know. I don't care when I get duplicates of these because they're all so cute. It'd be nice to get them all, but oh, look at this one, so cute. This is a 2 in 24. Aw, that's really cute. So this one's just kind of a basic one. She's wearing either little pajamas or a costume. She's got some leopard print here and here. I love this one. You can't really go wrong with her. She's so adorable. This is our last Squishy Pop. I'm hoping for a pony, but I'm hoping for a new pony. Something different. Let me just kind of mix it up a little. Oh, where did it go? Okay, it's definitely another pony. Can you see who I am? Oh my goodness, are you serious? Duplicate. Aw, still cute though. And now for our last surprise toy. Gonna finish it off with some Shopkins. Oh, let's see who we get. Oh, I can't remember the name. Wait, is it a churro? Cheery churro? And if I am correct, Cheery churro is rare. And then let's see what we have in this one. Oh, this one's cute. This is Brie Freshener. All right, those are super cute too. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me on my birthday. If you would like to see more Play-Doh surprise cakes, you can let me know by clicking on the like button. And make sure you leave me a comment and tell me what your favorite thing was that I opened today. Mine was the super special glittery sparkly Pinkie Pie. This is Amy Jo with DCTC. Thanks for watching.
Another video, that's the end.
Come back soon or we'll miss you, friend.
DCTC. We do toy reviews. DCTC.
And we play with Play-Doh too.
Skits, pranks, eggs and toys.
We make videos for girls and boys.
That's right.